Hello, this is Lisa Hardy, History Instructor at Jefferson Davis Community College. Welcome to History 101 Web, History of Western Civilization 1. It will be extremely important for you this term to refer to the Announcements section on the course site. There you will find important dates such as various holidays, midterm, etc., and the exam schedule for History 101 Web. To contact me, email me at lisa.hardy@jdcc.edu or call me at 251-809-1609. Call me or email me only with questions about the course materials, course policies, and procedures. Please do not email me or call me about issues of a technical nature. If you have any technical problems whatsoever, call the JDCC Help Desk between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. Central Standard Time on weekdays at 251-809-1515 or email them at support@jdcc.edu. If you need my assistance for course questions or questions about policies and procedures, email me or call me. If you email me, use the following format. Put in the subject line of your email, HIS 101 Web, your first and last name. Please email me and correspond by email using only your JDCC email account. In other words, I will not communicate with you if you use a personal email address such as Google or Yahoo, etc. Use only your JDCC email address to communicate with me. You can expect a response to your phone call or email from me during my regularly scheduled office hours only, and within 2 business days of receiving your phone call or email, I will respond to you by calling you or emailing you. However, do not expect a response from me by phone or email in the evenings, late at night, on the weekends, or on holidays. Please do not put yourself in a position where you require assistance from me in the late evening hours, on weekends, or on holidays. If you have a question about the course material, you can post those questions to the discussion boards provided for this course by clicking on Discussion Boards. For each chapter, you will have an opportunity to create a thread or start a discussion. I would recommend that if you have a question about the material, rather than sending me a private email, which you are allowed to do, but I would encourage you instead to post your questions or comments to the discussion board. There I can respond to you and the entire class can see our communication, which will allow them to benefit from your question as well. Whereas if you email me and I respond to you, that communication is private, not public, and your classmates cannot benefit from our exchange. So, again, you can email me, call me, or post on the discussion board any question or comment. By posting on the discussion board, your classmates may also choose to help you with a problem that you have with the material, or with a lecture, or with something in the reading. Please be advised that 100% of the instruction for this course is provided online. Study guides, supplemental materials, handouts, other links, and audio lectures are provided online. In order to be successful in this course, you must be prepared to commit 6 to 8 hours per week of your time to prepare for the exams in this course. 100% of the instruction is offered online. In this course, your grade, your final average, will be based on your successful completion of 7 exams. In this course, I do not give weekly assignments, homework assignments, projects, or any other quote-unquote busy work. In this course, just like my traditional face-to-face courses on campus, grades are determined for students based solely on their completion of 7 exams. Each exam in this course will cover 2 chapters, except for the final exam, which covers 2 chapters and a comprehensive section. In order to be well prepared for each exam, here is what you must do. You must listen to the audio lectures provided for each chapter. Some chapters will have multiple lectures. These lectures may range in length from 15 minutes to 30 minutes to 45 minutes to an hour or more. You are required to listen to each lecture, take notes, and familiarize yourself with that information. Once you have listened to the lecture, then read the corresponding chapter in your required textbook, McKay, Hill & Buckler's History of Western Society, which is available for purchase in the college bookstore. Once you have listened to the lectures and read the corresponding chapters, then complete your study guide. You cannot complete the study guide solely by listening to the lectures or solely by reading the textbook chapters. To complete the study guide, you must read the textbook chapters and listen to the accompanying lectures. My exams are based on the study guides. The study guides are based on the lectures and textbook chapters. Each exam will have one section of multiple choice or matching questions. The second section will be chronology. The third section will be map skills, and the fourth section will be short answer or essay questions. When you take a look at your study guide, you will see that the study guide for each chapter is broken down in the same fashion: a multiple choice or matching section, chronology, and map skills. The major difference, however, is that I do not tell you the short answer or essay questions ahead of time. The short answer or essay questions come from your understanding of the lecture material and your reading of the textbook chapters. It is your responsibility to refer to the announcements section of this course to check for the availability dates for each exam. It is your responsibility to contact the testing centers at the numbers provided on the announcements section to schedule for yourself an exam appointment during the period in which that exam is made available to you in the testing center. When you arrive at the testing center, you will be asked to present photo identification. Failure to present photo identification will result in your inability to take the exam. When you arrive at the testing center, you will be asked for a photo ID, and you will be asked to leave everything in your possession. Everything that you bring into the testing center will be left with the person on duty in the testing center. Therefore, it is in your best interest to leave coats, sweatshirts, purses, book bags, cell phones, laptops, etc., in your car, because you will not be permitted to take them into the testing corral. You will have 1 hour to complete exams 1 through 6 and a maximum of 2 hours for the final exam. If you exceed the allotted time for testing, 2 points per minute will be deducted from your exam score. For example, if you take 65 minutes to complete an exam rather than the 60 minutes allotted, you will lose 10 points. 5 minutes times 2 points equals a 10-point deduction. Please remember that the penalty for cheating in this course is immediate withdrawal from the course, and a permanent mark will be made on your academic record, which will follow you throughout your college career and will be seen by your future employer. Please do not attempt to cheat. You will be supervised by the testing center personnel, and you may be video recorded. I will not email progress reports or grades to you. Instead, you can expect within 1 week of submission date, your exam score will be posted to the gradebook. That means that if you take an exam from me on a Friday, before the next Friday, you will see posted in the gradebook for you that exam score. You can check your progress in this course at any time by clicking on the grades link. At the end of the term, you will have 7 grades, including a final exam, which is mandatory and cannot be dropped. At the end of the semester, I will drop your 2 lowest exam grades, You will have 5 remaining test scores. Those scores will be averaged to get your final course average for this term. I do not give makeup exams. You are not the exception to this rule or to this policy. If you miss an exam for any reason, you will be given a 0. It is not necessary to contact me to tell me the reason why you missed the exam. So it's in your best interest to take all 7 exams to truly benefit from the drop grade policy. Your attendance in this course is going to be based on your completion of the 7 exams. You are allowed to miss 2 exams this term. If you miss a 3rd exam for any reason whatsoever, you will be withdrawn from the course for excessive absence and lack of attendance. In other words, I am basing your attendance in this course on your completion of those exams. For more information about the course policies and procedures, please refer to your syllabus. You will note at the end of the syllabus there is a syllabus contract. Please print that page, sign, date it, and bring it with you to the testing center for the first exam. Again, it is very important this semester for you to be aware of the announcements section of this course, especially the exam schedule. It is your responsibility to take the exams during the scheduled period. Good luck to you this semester, and I look forward to working with you.